This is CLICKWORKER Proof of Payment. In this video, I'll be showing you my CLICKWORKER Proof of Earnings and Payment. You can see that I received this email from Payoneer. You have received a new payment, 15 euros from CLICKWORKER. This is the inside of my CLICKWORKER. You can see this is the day I modified the account. That is, I added Payoneer to my CLICKWORKER. And the same day, I added my tax detail, which I showed in this video. How to fix your tax detail and payment or hold issue. So as soon as I did that, my account was zeroized and the money sent to me. Let me show you the money inside Payoneer. You can see this is my Payoneer account. This is my name. You can see this is the money from CLICKWORKER. You can see this is the CLICKWORKER proof of payment. If I click this, you can see CLICKWORKER 15 euro payment from CLICKWORKER. Thank you for working with CLICKWORKER. So this is to show you that CLICKWORKER will actually pay you if you do the work. I'm an affiliate marketer. You have to do the work every time on CLICKWORKER to earn this kind of money. If you do the work very well, including UHRS jobs that will earn you more. That is why my number one recommendation is CLICKWORKER, because there are so many jobs on CLICKWORKER. But you have to always do the jobs on CLICKWORKER to earn this money. Whereas with affiliate marketing, an article you write once can earn you money for a lifetime. You sleep and you wake up, you see money. Take advantage of my affiliate marketing training. Just go to askjofa.com, and you can also use Ask Jofa forum to promote your online businesses. All you need to do is to write a good article that you can write with artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, and you post it on the platform about your businesses, both offline and online. Share it on social media platform. It will rank for years. It will be there, and it will be directing customers and leads to any of your platform. Ensure you use my Payoneer link to sign up to Payoneer so that you can earn $25 gift from Payoneer, and you can now use it and link it inside your CLICKWORKER platform. That is the first thing you need to do before you even sign up to CLICKWORKER. You will also see my CLICKWORKER link below the description of this video. Thank you so much.